These are the top 5 birds with the rare, insane sounds you have to hear. I bet you'll be terrified by the last one. Comment which one think you want to see. But first, if you think this little owl was cute, like and subscribe. 1. Capuchin birds. This bald bird screams like a chainsaw, terrifying yet awesome. 2. White bellbird. Louder than a rock concert. This bird screams for love. 3. Loonbirds. It sounds like a ghost. This bird's call chills the forest. 4th, sage grouses. It inflates its chest like balloons. Nature's wildest love show. 5. Cassowary. Deadly claws, helmet head. This bird's straight out of Jurassic Park.